उज्ज्वल भविष्याची स्वप्न घेऊन पुण्यामध्ये किंवा भारतामध्ये शिक्षणासाठी आलेले अफगाणी विद्यार्थी माझ्यासोबत आहेत. पहिल्यांदा आपण जाऊयात फरदानाकडे. फरदाना, आय एम रिअली कन्फ्यूज्ड वेदर आय शुड आस्क द क्वेश्चन हाऊ आर यू, बिकॉज द थिंग्स हॅपनिंग in and around Afghanistan. What would you like to share?
Thank you so much. I'm just, because of my people, maybe some of people will hear my voice. Because of them, I would like to say I'm fine. I'm fine, and I will try my best to be fine. Because of my people, because of my family, I'm trying my best because at least I'm safe here. But my feeling, of course, I cannot say. No word is there to express my feeling right now.
Have you had any contact with your family or friends over there in these days?
You know, the most important person in our life is our father, which it's been 1 week I'm not able to talk with my father because he is working in government, and that province which he is working, it's under control, completely under control of Taliban, and the network is not working there because they broke it, everything.
Your name, please?
Muzammal Sabri. Muzammal from politics department.
Okay. Yes. Muzammal, the things are happening there. We know all about. My question is, what is the heart of the matter? The reason behind, or is there any solution to tackle this situation? How do you look towards all these things?
Sir, this is basically it shows the weakness of the government of Afghanistan, which is leading by the president of Afghanistan called Ashraf Ghani, that right now he escaped from Afghanistan, so we already know about the situation over there. So this is the completely project come and supporting the neighbor countries. That is already, I think it's very clear to all of us that who support this Taliban, who by where they come, it's already I think it's clear for all Afghan peoples.
Yes. In this situation, can you think of going back to Afghanistan or?
Sir, in this situation, if we want to go back, we can, because there is no flight over there from there. The situation in my country is completely destroyed. If you see the airport, the national airport of Afghanistan, which is called Hamid Karzai International Airport, everything is banned. There is no flight. The situation is very bad over there. My people is really scared about this situation because they didn't imagine about this situation that right now we face in Afghanistan. So everything is completely come in my country that no one imagined about that. So this is the situation over there.
It is being said that the situation of ladies, women, and the children is very worst, or can be.
Yes, the situation, because we already have an experience about the first the coming of the Taliban, which is in the decades of 19. So right now they didn't take any decision towards the children or ladies, but right now they control all the province of Afghanistan, especially the central of Afghanistan, which is called Kabul. So right now they didn't take any decision toward this, but we have that experience. We have that experience, and that this lady is stand inside of me. We all know about that. Who is Taliban? What they were, from which purpose they come to my country, and what they will do in the future. That's very clear, sir. That's very clear because we have that experience.
What do you think about the future of your country and yourself also, the generation you represent?
Right now all the generation, especially the young generation, they are under stress because this is the first experience. Even if I be in Afghanistan, it was my first experience with this Taliban. So of course it has very bad effect for the future. Again, it needs lots of work, lots of energy, lots of motivation. Actually nowadays in Afghanistan the things is happening, it's like completely worse. I mean, for girls, they are taking the girls, the small girls like my age, and they are sending to another country, and people are telling that they are sending to Pakistan, and they are asking these small girls to do nikah with this Taliban. These Taliban are like our grandfather, and these girls are like a small child. How it's possible? Like, if we are human, our mind cannot believe these things. See, if these things happen with me, that time I will die. that time I will like die. It's not possible. But it happened in most of the north province of Afghanistan. They took lots of ladies, lots of girls, young generation. And also like this, if the ladies, if the young generation, that they are the future of tomorrow, if they are in this situation, how we are expecting that tomorrow they can help in Afghanistan? Everybody is broken right now, broken down. Everybody trying to go out of Afghanistan. So who will remain in Afghanistan? Who will work for Afghanistan? Who will build Afghanistan again? You saw the picture of the plane. You saw the people were falling down from the plane. How much they don't have another place. They must go.
Is there any way, is there any ray of optimism? Is there any ray of optimism?
I don't think so. Everything is right now in Afghanistan very bad situation, but still we are hoping, just hoping that this thing should get better. You know, I'm just hoping, trying. That my another colleagues are hoping, trying, and let's see what will happen.
Mujammal, what do you expect from India or on our side?
Sir, from the beginning, India is the best friend of Afghanistan because we already know about that, and lots of helps from India in each field of Afghanistan. They support in very difficult situation, even the COVID situation. India is the first country that helped Afghanistan through the sending of these vaccines and all. And we help. We accept from India that in this situation, stand with Afghanistan, stand with the people of Afghanistan. I really appreciate that, because from the beginning, last night, some of the Indian, which I don't know, they come to me and ask me if you are from Afghanistan. I say yes. They warmly ask about my situation of the country. Even they ask to come to our home, and because they show the hospitality of this country. So we want to, from India, that stand in this situation, in this very difficult situation with government of Afghanistan, with the people with the students that stay in here from the Pune University. They really help us, and I want to help more than this, because in this situation we need really help. Yes, sir.
आंतरराष्ट्रीय विद्यार्थी केंद्राचे प्रमुख डॉक्टर विजय खरे आपल्यासोबत आहेत. सर, या विद्यार्थ्यांची काय सध्या परिस्थिती आहे हे आपण पाहतो आहोत. आपण कशा पद्धतीनं त्यांना सांभाळून घेणार आहोत त्यांच्या पुढच्या भवितव्याच्या दृष्टिकोनातून?
गेल्या काही वर्षापासून आंतरराष्ट्रीय केंद्रात आणि सावित्रीबाई फुले पुणे विद्यापीठात अफगाणिस्तानचे स्टुडंटचं इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट सर्वात जास्त आहे. गेल्या 3 वर्षामध्ये जवळपास आपण 1000 विद्यार्थ्यांना प्रवेश दिलेला आहे. आणि गेल्या पावणे 2 वर्षापासून कोविडच्या काळातसुद्धा आपण सर्व महाराष्ट्रातले सर्व हॉस्टेल, सर्व विद्यापीठाचे बंद असून आपलं असं एकमेव विद्यापीठ आहे की आपण जे विद्यार्थी इथे आहेत यांना वेगवेगळ्या सुविधा दिलेल्या आहेत. आणि यापुढेही त्यांना जे प्रश्न आहेत त्यांचे, विशेषतः विजा ज्यांचं संपलेलं आहे त्यांच्यासाठी, आणि त्यांचे जे मूलभूत प्रश्न आहेत त्यासाठी आपण निश्चितच जे काही महाराष्ट्र शासन, पुणे विद्यापीठ आणि भारत सरकारचे जे काही आम्हाला डायरेक्टिव्ज असतील त्या पद्धतीने त्यांना आपण पुढे मदत करणार आहोत. परंतु तुम्ही आता ऐकलंच असेल की असे जे विद्यार्थी आहेत त्यांना आम्ही वेगवेगळ्या पातळीवर इन्व्हॉल्व करून घेत असतो. म्हणजे त्यांच्यासाठी एक आपले भावी त्याला म्हणतो ना सांस्कृतिक राजदूत, कल्चरल अँबॅसेडर आहेत. या दृष्टिकोनातून आम्ही त्यांच्याशी समन्वय साधतो, त्यांच्यासाठी वेगवेगळे उपाययोजना करत असतो. आणि त्यामुळे दे फील दॅट ॲट होम, अशा पद्धतीचं आपण वातावरण निर्मिती करून त्यांना सामावून घेतो. आणि त्यामुळे त्यांची जी भारताप्रती म्हणजे विशेषतः विद्यापीठाच्या प्रती जे काही प्रेम आहे, ज्या संवेदना आहेत त्या फार चांगल्या आहेत. आणि त्यामुळेच आपला जो फ्लो आहे आंतरराष्ट्रीय केंद्राकडे, विशेषतः अफगाणिस्तानच्या विद्यार्थ्यांचा हा सर्वात जास्त आहे. आणि त्यामुळे येणाऱ्या काळात त्यांचे जे प्रश्न असतील ते आपण सोडवण्याचा प्रयत्न करणार आहोत.
म्हणजे त्यांना केवळ भौतिक नाही तर मानसिक आधार देण्याचं पण काम आपल्याकडनं होणार आहे. थँक्यू फॉर स्पीकिंग विथ अस अँड वी विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. गॉड ब्लेस यू. व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट नितीन सांडबोरसह अरुण मेहत्रे, झी मीडिया, पुणे.
लाल मातीतली कुस्ती म्हणजे